Have you ever looked at a luxurious kitchen and thought, I could never afford something like that? What if I told you that with just a few small changes, things that cost under $100, you could transform your kitchen into a space that feels high-end, stylish, and welcoming? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I set out to prove that luxury doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. I tried 7 simple kitchen hacks that promised to add a touch of elegance to my home without breaking the bank. And let me tell you, the results were absolutely stunning. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of how I turned my standard kitchen into a chic, luxury-inspired space, all while staying within a $100 budget. These hacks are so easy to do that you won't need any professional help, and each one is designed to give your kitchen an instant upgrade. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll be itching to try them yourself. Stay tuned to see just how affordable luxury can be. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into each hack, let me give you a quick sneak peek. One of the easiest things I did was change my cabinet handles. And wow, it made such a big difference. I also added some soft lighting under the cabinets, and suddenly the whole kitchen felt warm and cozy. I tried peel and stick backsplash tiles that look like real marble. I even gave my countertop a brand new look without replacing it. All of this was done with small items, simple tools, and yes, everything cost less than $100 total. Sounds too good to be true, right? But wait till you see how it all came together. Let's start with the first hack that gave my kitchen a quick and easy luxury touch. Before I get into the hacks, let me set the stage for you. My kitchen was functional, but that was about it. It was clean, yes, but it lacked personality and warmth. The cabinets were plain, the countertops were worn, and the lighting was harsh. The whole space just felt, well, bland. It didn't have that inviting, cozy, high-end feel that you see in those beautifully designed kitchens on Pinterest or in design magazines. I wanted a space that felt more welcoming, something that would make me feel good every time I walked in. But like most of us, I didn't have the budget for a full kitchen renovation. So I came up with an idea. What if I could make small, budget-friendly changes that would give my kitchen that luxurious feel I was craving? I didn't want to go overboard, just a few thoughtful tweaks here and there. That's when I started looking for affordable hacks that would breathe new life into the space without costing an arm and a leg. Little did I know, these small changes would have a massive impact on how my kitchen looked and felt. And the best part? All the upgrades were done for under $100. Let's dive into hack number 1. Hack number 1, Cabinet Handles Makeover. The first hack I tackled was my old, outdated cabinet handles. They were small, dark, and didn't match the vibe I wanted for my kitchen. They were functional, but they didn't make the space look or feel special. After browsing online, I stumbled upon a set of shiny gold handles that were modern, elegant, and surprisingly affordable. The entire set of 10 handles cost me just $30. Seriously, that's all. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I figured, why not give it a try? Replacing the handles was a simple task. I didn't need to hire a professional or buy any special tools. All I needed was a screwdriver. The process was incredibly easy. I unscrewed the old handles, and in their place, I attached the new gold handles. Each handle took about a minute to install. In less than an hour, my kitchen looked completely different. When I stepped back to admire my work, I couldn't believe the transformation. The cabinets now looked sleek, modern, and much more expensive. I was blown away by how such a small change made such a big impact. It was like the handles were the finishing touch that brought everything together. The whole space felt more polished and sophisticated. And remember, this change cost me just $30. What a bargain. Hack number 2, soft under-cabinet lighting. Next up was lighting. My kitchen had a single overhead light that was too bright and cold, making the space feel harsh and unwelcoming. I knew that one of the quickest ways to make my kitchen feel more luxurious was to add soft, ambient lighting. I started searching for an affordable, no-fuss lighting solution, and that's when I found LED strip lights that were battery-powered, easy to install, and cost just $15. I knew I had to give them a try. The lights came with adhesive strips, so I didn't need to drill or make a mess. I simply peeled off the backing and stuck them under the cabinets. I placed them strategically so they would cast a soft, warm glow onto the countertops, creating that cozy, restaurant-like atmosphere I was going for. When I flipped the switch, I was absolutely stunned by how much the lighting changed the feel of the kitchen. The harsh overhead light was gone, replaced by a soft, inviting glow that made the entire space feel more intimate and luxurious. The best part? It only took a few minutes to install. This simple hack made my kitchen feel like a completely different room, and it only cost $15. Hack number 3, Peel and Stick Backsplash. For hack number 3, I wanted to tackle one of the most noticeable, and often expensive, features in a kitchen, the backsplash. My kitchen had a blank wall behind the stove that looked drab and uninviting. I knew that a backsplash would add an instant touch of luxury, but real tile can be expensive and labor-intensive to install. So, I turned to peel and stick backsplash tiles as an affordable alternative. I found a set of white, marble-looking tiles online for just $20. They were smooth, shiny, and looked like real marble, which was exactly what I was aiming for. The installation process was so easy. I cleaned the wall, peeled off the backing of each tile, and pressed them into place. No glue, no mess, just peel, stick, and admire. The transformation was incredible. The wall behind the stove now looked like it belonged in a high-end kitchen. The marble pattern brightened up the space, and the kitchen felt so much fresher and more modern. And the best part? I did it all by myself in under an hour. No contractors, no heavy lifting, just a simple peel and stick solution that completely elevated my kitchen. For just $20, my kitchen went from plain to fabulous. Hack number 4, Countertop Cover-Up. Hack number 4 was a total game changer for me. Honestly, I didn't expect it to make such a big difference in my kitchen. My old countertop had seen better days. It was dark, worn out, and had stains that just wouldn't come off no matter how much I cleaned it. It was starting to feel tired, and honestly, it made the whole kitchen look old and uninviting. I was tired of seeing it every day. I've always dreamed of having a light, bright, clean marble countertop. Marble is so beautiful and adds a touch of luxury to any space. But the problem? Real marble is super expensive. I knew I couldn't afford that, so I started thinking of a way to get the same look without the hefty price tag. That's when I found a game-changing solution: marble-looking contact paper. It's basically a big sticker that you can apply to your countertops, and it looks just like marble. I was amazed when I found it, and even better, I got a full roll for just $12. It was affordable and had great reviews, so I thought, why not give it a try? The contact paper was smooth, waterproof, and easy to clean, perfect for the kitchen. The first thing I did was clean my countertop really well. I wanted to make sure there was no dirt or grease before I started applying the paper. Then, I measured the countertop in sections and carefully cut the contact paper to fit. Peeling the back off the paper, I slowly pressed it down on the surface, one part at a time. As I went, I used a little card. You could use a credit card or anything flat to smooth out the air bubbles. It took some patience, but it wasn't difficult at all. Slowly, section by section, I covered the entire countertop. When I was done, I stepped back to admire my work, and I was honestly shocked. The counter looked completely transformed, bright, shiny, and clean. From a distance, it really looked like real marble. It completely changed the feel of the kitchen. It felt fresh, open, and so much more modern. The best part? It didn't just look better, it made the whole space feel bigger and more welcoming. The light, clean look of the marble was just what the kitchen needed to feel more updated. And I did it all for less than the price of a lunch. If you think this was a cool change, wait until you see hack number 5. It's stylish, super simple, and adds something really useful too. Let's take a look at that next. Hack number 5. Stylish soap and sponge station. Hack number 5 was all about those small details that can make a huge difference. Sometimes, it's the little changes that really transform a space. For me, One of those little changes was my sink area. Before, it was messy and didn't look nice at all. I had a plastic soap bottle that didn't match anything. It looked cheap and out of place. And the sponge? It just sat there on the counter, wet and sad looking, adding to the clutter. It wasn't the clean, stylish vibe I wanted. I dreamed of that fancy, polished look you see in hotel kitchens, where everything feels organized and chic. So, I decided to give my sink area a makeover. I started by looking online for something that would bring a touch of elegance to the space. After a little search, I found a beautiful set that was exactly what I needed. It came with a glass soap dispenser and a small tray to hold everything. The soap dispenser had a shiny gold pump, and the tray was simple but classy. It looked like something you'd find in a high-end kitchen. And the best part? The whole set only cost $10. I was excited to see how it would look. I took my regular dish soap and poured it into the glass bottle. Immediately, the soap looked so much better, no more ugly plastic bottles sitting there. It felt more polished, more put together. Then, I placed my sponge and dish brush neatly on the little tray. No more sponges rolling around on the counter or making a mess. Everything was organized, fresh, and clean. When I stepped back to take a look at my sink area, I couldn't believe the difference. It looked like one of those beautiful kitchens you see on Pinterest or in home magazines, clean, modern, and organized. Just changing the soap setup completely changed the vibe of the space. It suddenly felt elegant and thoughtful. What surprised me most was how easy it was to do. No tools, no mess, and no long process. It took just a few minutes to set everything up, and the results were instant. This small upgrade didn't just make my kitchen look better, it made my daily routine feel nicer too. Washing dishes became more enjoyable, and I no longer had to look at clutter while I worked at the sink. And here's the thing, this wasn't the only trick I had up my sleeve. Hack number 6? Oh, it took things to a whole new level. It added even more beauty, comfort, and luxury. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive into hack number 6. Hack number 6. Gold touches with budget decor. Hack number 6 was all about adding a little sparkle to my kitchen. I noticed something while scrolling through photos of luxury kitchens online. They all had little touches of gold here and there. Not too much, just enough to catch your eye and make the space feel extra special. I thought, why not bring that into my kitchen? I didn't want to spend a lot of money on fancy gold pieces. So, I started looking for affordable gold kitchen tools. After a bit of searching, I found a small set that included a whisk, a spoon, and tongs. They were a soft, light gold, and had that shiny, elegant look. The best part? The entire set was only $8. That's right, just $8. I decided to display these tools in a simple white jar on my countertop. The white jar was plain, but with the gold tools inside, it looked so much more stylish. It was a simple touch, but it really made the kitchen look more polished and put together. Next, I added one more detail. I found a small, gold-framed photo frame. Inside the frame, I put a cute printed quote that said, "Home is where the food is." It was such a tiny addition, but it instantly made the space feel warm and inviting. The photo frame was just a few dollars, but it had that high-end look like something you'd find in a designer store. Now, my kitchen had gold accents, but nothing was too much. It felt balanced. The gold tools weren't just for decoration, they were useful too. I actually use the whisk, spoon, and tongs when I'm cooking. And when they're sitting out on the counter, they bring a little bit of elegance to the whole space. This small, affordable hack really made a difference. It made my kitchen feel more special and chic. Every time I walked into the kitchen and saw that gold frame and matching tools, I couldn't help but smile. It didn't cost much, but it made the space feel rich and luxurious. Now that my kitchen had those shiny gold accents, it was time to wrap up the look with the final touch, hack number 7. This one really tied everything together. You won't believe how simple it was. Let's take a look. Hack number 7, fresh greenery. Bring the outdoors in. For the final hack, I wanted to add a little life to my kitchen. And what better way to do that than with some fresh greenery? Plants are one of the simplest and most affordable ways to make any space feel fresh, vibrant, and luxurious. Plus, they're great for improving air quality and bringing in a touch of nature, which makes the space feel more inviting. I picked up a few small potted plants for $15 at my local garden center. I chose plants that didn't require a lot of maintenance, like succulents and a few herbs. I placed them in cute little pots and scattered them around the kitchen, on the windowsill, the countertop, and even hanging on a small rack above the sink. The result was amazing. The plants instantly brightened up the space, making it feel more alive and welcoming. The green leaves added color and warmth, and they really brought the whole kitchen together. Best of all, it only cost me $15 to add this little touch of luxury. The final look, how all the hacks came together. After completing all 7 hacks, I couldn't believe the transformation. The kitchen no longer looked like a generic, bland space. It now had a cohesive, stylish look that felt modern and luxurious, but without the high-end price tag. Let's take a quick look at how each hack contributed to the final result. New cabinet handles made the cabinets look sleek and modern. Soft under-cabinet lighting added a warm, inviting glow and made the space feel more intimate. Peel and stick backsplash tiles gave the kitchen a sophisticated, marble look without the cost of real marble. Marble look contact paper on the countertops gave my kitchen a fresh, high-end look. Stylish soap and sponge station added a touch of elegance to the sink area. Framed wall art personalized the space and made it feel unique. Fresh greenery brought life and warmth to the kitchen. All these changes came together to create a space that felt both functional and luxurious. But the best part? It cost me less than $100 in total. I was amazed by how small changes could make such a big difference in how my kitchen looked and felt. It's proof that you don't need a huge budget to make your home feel like a luxury retreat. So, there you have it, 7 luxury kitchen hacks that cost under $100. These simple and affordable upgrades have completely transformed my kitchen. If you're looking to give your space a fresh, stylish update without breaking the bank, these hacks are the way to go. I hope this video inspired you to try out some of these ideas in your own kitchen. Remember, luxury isn't about spending a lot of money. It's about making smart, thoughtful choices that elevate the look and feel of your space. With a little creativity and the right hacks, you can turn your kitchen into a stylish haven without the luxury price tag. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget-friendly home makeover ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.